Hi, did you know tiny dust particles are all around us? You can't see them, but they're right here.